Today I'm going to teach you how to make countertop wipes. I've been making quilt pieces out of old t-shirts. So I have a lot of scraps left over after I cut the front off, the part I want to save. So what I do is I take the pieces, the sleeves or whatever, and I slice them up and stick them in a jar. But before I put them in the jar, I'm going to show you, this is just a sleeve. Slice the sleeve. I like my pieces to be kind of small. And then some of these things are just scraps. So what I put in my recipe is, if you have a big container, which I do this time around, I'll oftentimes double my recipe. So I'll just use some white vinegar. And I normally would only put a half a cup in, but I'm going to put a cup in because this container is so large. Oops. A cup of this. A cup of distilled water. You just do the same amount of water as you did white vinegar. Uh-oh, I might run out. If you don't have distilled water, that's okay also. It is preferable and your wipes will last a little bit longer, but if you need to use a dash of rubbing alcohol to keep them fresh, you can do that. And then the oils that I'm going to use in mine are thyme essential oil, and you really only need a couple drops of each of these. A little bit goes a long way. And tea tree or melaleuca, whatever you've got. And I also like to use lemon, and maybe there will be other scents that you prefer. And as long as your container has a seal on it, you can add all of your pieces. I like to swirl it around a little bit, mix it. You can add all of your pieces of cloth to your container. I'm still going to cut these a little bit smaller. Actually, these are good size. And then once you have them all added, you just, if your jar has a seal, which is preferable, you close it up, seal it, and flip the whole container over, and just let your rags soak overnight. I'm going to add some more rags to mine. You can really cram them in there. This one's mostly green.